gonna have to do that. It's a pain in the ass to get those in the groove.
There. That one's in. What that does is keep them from being loose, and they'll self-adjust. It just creates a little friction when you're...
Gotcha. So just a little bit of fixing before we put our special trick on these. You can see where the rubbers go. Right there.
So, feel your shock.
Oh.
I just kind of pump them in and out. Feel the air in there. And
yeah. Oh, big time.
So, you can make all the adjustments you want on camber and motor, gears. If your shocks aren't working, your truck's not going to handle well.
Right. Can't lay down the grip.
So you want to go to 35?
Yeah, we'll just do 35. What is that, black licorice?
Yeah.
I don't like black licorice, but I like red vines.
Not many people do like the...
Yeah, not big on it, but I like red vines, and Twizzlers are so.
It comes from Ace Hardware. They always have the bags
kinds.
of it.
I've had some special licorice before. It's kind of a little bit thick, cherry kind.
Here, screw that all the way up.
Heat starts coming in.
A hawk tuah.
A little bit of hawk tuah.
No, you've seen that girl, the hawk tuah girl?
Yeah. Hawk tuah.
Hawk tuah, yeah.
Got it right there.
Yeah.
Let me see that one.
That's amazing. You put your camera where you want it. Yeah, when something that simple, that it'll goof off like that, makes her famous all of a sudden. She's She started some podcast channel or something I just read.
She's doing all types of stuff. She went somewhere and did some signing, and I just saw it on Facebook. She was like, there are some other models or something. She's pretty cute too. She's pretty cute too.
She's a cutie. Yeah, she's from Tennessee. She lives,
don't matter where she
lives with her grandma somewhere out on a farm.
Nice. They're not living in the farm now.
Yeah, she's not rich yet, but
no, but she's very humble. I have to put my own song in.
let the bubbles rise.
Bubbles. Yeah. Oh, I gotta get a paper plate for homeboy later.
Gotta do what?
Get a paper plate because I got some food to heat up. It's foam. You can't put styrofoam in the microwave.
No.
Or can you?
Well, you can, but I don't know what the results would be.
Right here behind the camera. No, you don't do that. I don't do that. Now we're gonna we're gonna unscrew those caps, so we're gonna bleed all the bubbles out and bleed out quite a bit of this liquid we just put in here.
Locked myself in the bathroom.
Went to Wild Bill's today. They had some cool stuff there. Oh, it reminds me. I want to see how much that
where?
Go send Wild Bill's Hobby Town.
Oh, Hobbytown? The one in Hearst?
Yeah.
Well, we're racing there Sunday.
Is that right? No, not Hearst. The other one. Wild Bill's by the mall.
I don't know which one. Which?
And the thing was okay, so then keep it unscrewed and everything's gonna drip out these. Then now the number is 25, am I right?
Yep.
25, not 26, not 24, it's 25.
There you go, good man.
25, I remember. 25. Now it's just gonna keep bubbling. So you push it all the way
And
in, you put the cap on.
Don't over tighten
Super
it, just snug.
Right.
So you'll see it in the oil when this comes out. You'll see the air mixed in it now. One zero rebound. That's what.
Right. We don't want to bounce it now. Now we do have 35 weight oil in there.
Fancy low-C stuff.
Yeah. Oh yeah. See that fancy low-C plastic stuff? Look at that.
There you go.
Look at that one.
Is that your stuff?
Yeah.
Huh?
As I said, I got plastic low-C shit. Sure matches your shit. And then we're gonna push it down.
Push it down first, right?
Get those bubbles out. And wipe them
This
out.
is just getting the excess fluid out.